Hello and welcome back to the one more tutorial of Drytis series. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you something. Okay, and it's about the time taken per task. Okay, so for example, I have over here a task. Okay, let me go to the live code and click on accepted. This is gonna show me accepted over here. Okay, for example, I'm working on a task, or there are two types of requests. One is task and another is project. If your client is coming to you and he has raised his request and you have accepted it from your end, and he is telling you that he needs to create his project from the scratch. That means he wants you to create everything of his project. Okay, that means you're the engineer who need to create his whole project from the scratch. Okay, so for the whole project, you can take the maximum time up to 20 hours, okay? But you have to discuss that too with the client, okay? And for the task, that means, for example, if any client comes to you and, for example, if you accepted his task and he wants you to add a small feature or to update this or to remove this component or to add any other component or feature to his project, that's simply a small task. Okay, and for the task, the general time you have to take is 4 hours. That means you have to complete the task within 4 hours. If it takes half an hour, then you have to complete it within half an hour, but the time you can take maximum 4 hours. If and after that, if it request for more time, if you need further more time to complete that task, you can simply connect with the client and you can request him that this is gonna take 1 more hour, 1.5 more hour. Then you this the client can assign you that time as well. But make sure for the complete project you can take the maximum time up to 20 hours, and for the small these small tasks you can take up to 4 maximum hours. And if there are some odds, you can contact with the client and you can discuss that with the client. Okay, if you ever lose, you can go ahead. Okay, this was a small clarification from my end. Hope you got it. Thank you so much for your attention. We'll see you next week. Thank you.